Hi everyone, welcome to Raspberry Pi series. So today we are doing the how we can show the Raspberry Pi on our laptop. So how we can see the view of Raspberry Pi in the laptop. So today I'm showing I'm installing some software, and with the help of we will connect the Raspberry Pi with our laptop, and we can view the Raspberry Pi desktop here. So how we can install it? So this is Raspberry Pi. So last time I show you how we need to connect and how we need to create the connection with the Raspberry Pi. Now we are going in the more deep, and we will see how we can connect with the laptop. So Raspberry Pi OS installation. So first we need to install the OS. Okay, so this we need a memory card. So with your Raspberry Pi, the memory card will become. So first we need to do the installation using the Raspberry Pi OS, and we will image that one. The imager is there. Then we are using the one more software, that is a putty, and then last is a VNC viewer for viewing the our Raspberry Pi desktop on our laptop. So that will be view image, that one here. Okay, so first of all I'm going in my Google, and simply I'm writing here Raspberry Pi installer. Okay, so this is the site is raspberrypi.ios. So here you can see this iOS here, the Raspberry 90 operating system. So operating system we are installing on our uh, SD card, on your memory card. So the memory card will be there. So you will be installing this one. So you need to click on the download for Windows. Okay, so it will be download, and you need to follow the simple steps after the download. So I already downloaded it, and I will open here in my, this is the Raspberry Pi imager. So I click on the Raspberry Pi imager, asking for the permission. I given the permission. Now the next step, it will be show the Raspberry Pi desktop here. So this is my Raspberry Pi imager. Okay, so if first of all is showing the choose a device. So my device is a Raspberry Pi i4, and the choose OS. So OS I'm using, my OS is 64-bit. It depend on your system. So my one is this, and choose your storage. So actually I already selected my storage. So your storage will be come here, because if you connect with the memory card, so it will be show here, you need to select that storage. Okay, then press OK. Then they will be take some time till 100%. Okay, then you need to click next, and your installation is done. So I already installed it. So the imager, so I'm not doing this step, but this is a simple step you have to do. Then next, and then finish. Okay, and it's installed. After the installation, so this is done. So you can use a putty simply, and when you're doing the installation, that part. Okay, so you have to select the steps. Okay, you have to give your IP address there. Okay, you have to write the local name. Let's suppose I write it, my local name is pi at the rate local. Okay, so this is, I write it there. So you need to connect on this server simply, or I already connected, so I'm opening only the VNC here. Okay, so I already installed the VNC. You need to go for the VNC installation for here at the website. You simply click on VNC viewer, or you can go and download this VNC viewer simply. Okay, so you have to download from the here for Windows. So I downloaded already, and this is my VNC. And then you have to write your the connection name. So let's suppose I'm opening the command prompt first of all here, and let's see my Pi is connected. I'm doing the ping from my Raspberry Pi, if it is connected or not. And one important thing, whenever you are connecting with the your laptop with the Raspberry Pi, so your both network on the same, means your Wi-Fi will be same. Your laptop be connected on same Wi-Fi, and your Raspberry Pi is connected on the same Wi-Fi. Okay, then click on ping Pi, Okay, I click on the ping pi. You can see it's pinging the Raspberry Pi. So means your Raspberry Pi is running. Okay, so that you can see here. Then I'm simply going here. So this is my Raspberry Pi local IP address. So if you want to copy, so you can copy this. Okay, so I copy this. Okay, now simply I'm going on real VNC viewer, and you can see here this is my desktop. Okay, so and I put it my username this, and password is 123456. Okay, so I simply connected by my Raspberry Pi. So this is my Raspberry Pi. So I connected successfully. So this is all things are here in the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so you can create you can connect your Raspberry Pi very easily with these softwares. Okay, so this is all how we need to install, how we need to show Raspberry Pi on our laptop view, how we can see. Thank you guys.